Hello travelers and viewers, this is Alex from Uncut Travel, and I'm very excited today because I'm going to be reviewing the Rosewood Hotel in Bangkok. It's a fairly new hotel. It opened up in 2019 and I was very impressed with my stay over there. I only stayed for one night, but the hotel is just immaculate. The design, the detail to attention really makes this hotel very special. It's one of my favorite in Bangkok. What I really love most about this hotel is just that everything looks perfect. And beyond that, it has a very residential feel to it. It's more of a boutique type hotel. It's not a huge hotel, but it is just beautiful. And I'm sure that you're going to agree with me. So let's waste no more time and look at this beautiful Rosewood Hotel. I took a taxi going to the Rosewood Hotel, but it's just the traffic is so bad that I decided to get out early and just walk the rest. Sure, thank you very much.
Be careful, have mind this.
Thank you. My name is Alex.
My name Boy.
What is your name?
Boy.
Boy?
My nickname.
Like boy? Like
Yeah.
a boy? Okay, that's good. Easy to remember.
Yeah.
Right?
Nice to meet you, Mr. Alex.
Nice to meet you too.
And on the third floor is the Sky Train.
The what?
Sky
Oh, the
train.
SkyTrain, direct access.
And connecting to the shopping mall.
They said it was one of the most anticipated openings of 2019, right?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And this one, you can see the name right here on the 30th floor. That would be the Lennon spot.
Okay.
It will be the rooftop bar of us. It's very famous right
Very
now.
famous?
Yes,
Okay,
you
because
should
this is a
try.
hot hotel.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
And on the 90th floor, there will be the Nancy restaurant.
And what is that?
It will be the Chinese restaurant.
Chinese restaurant.
Yes,
Okay.
it's very nice as
Very
well.
nice. Okay.
Nice atmosphere.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And to your room will be at the back side.
Okay. So what is your name? I forgot to ask you.
My name is Nettie.
Nettie?
Yes, please.
Very nice name.
Thank you.
And you're originally from Bangkok?
No.
No?
Actually, I'm from Thailand. It will be the northeastern part of Thailand.
Close to Chiang Mai?
Not that
No,
close.
no.
Chiang Mai it will be at the northeast, the north.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah,
you're
but-
northeast.
Yes, please.
So you're close to...
To Laos.
To Laos, yeah.
Yeah.
Have you been to Laos?
Yes, many
It's
times.
Nice?
Yeah, very nice.
Everybody tells me I should go.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Actually.
Luang Prabang?
Luang Prabang, Vientiane, Yes, very
Yeah,
nice.
nice.
But if you want the adventure place, I would recommend to Wang Vieng. It's very
What?
nice one.
Which way do we go?
This way.
What's the adventure place called?
Wang Vieng.
Wang Vieng.
Yes, it's in Laos.
Okay.
Yes, it's very nice place, and they
Okay.
have like many activities to do that.
Oh, very nice. Okay.
Most of the tourists go there.
Okay, I have to remember. Maybe this year I go.
Yeah.
So the hotel opened last year
Yes,
in
since 31st of March, please.
31st of March. Oh, okay. So almost 1 year already.
Yes, almost 1 year.
Okay, and it's a very popular hotel.
Yeah.
It's 5 stars.
Yes, please.
One of the best-
Five-star luxury as well.
So you would say ranks top 10 in Bangkok?
Yeah, approximately.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Very good.
Very
That's
nice.
what I read, and that's why I wanted to review it.
Yeah. From this counter, we
Okay.
will set all mini bar inside here, please.
Okay.
I will show you what we set for you. In this fridge, we will set all soft drink inside here.
Okay. And prices are where?
The prices actually in your premier room, you will got the complimentary for the soft drink inside this fridge are complimentary.
Okay.
Yes, but for the snack and alcohol, that would be chargeable.
Okay.
And the basic one, honey tea coffee we do set inside here.
Okay. Okay.
Telephone, you can contact us directly.
Okay.
Only press 0 if you want anything.
Okay, just
Yes.
0. Okay.
Yes, please. Oh, the control panel in the room is on your headbed for both sides.
And
please.
what does it control?
This one is for the curtain. We have
Oh,
2 layers.
okay.
You can control it.
So you have complete blackout, I assume,
Yeah.
and just dimmer.
And from here, that will be the dressing space, the wardrobe.
Okay.
And you set the bag box
Oh,
inside
okay.
here. And the slipper and the laundry bag.
Beautiful bathroom. Wow.
Yes, we do separate for the toilet side and the shower side.
Okay, very nice.
And inside here, that will be the basin. For amenity in the room, we all do set inside here. If you want anything, you can let us know every time. We can refill it every day.
This. This
There
usually
is a
does
ring.
not come inside the hotel.
And all
Okay.
the control panel in the bathroom will be right here.
Okay, fantastic. All right.
Nice. And one last thing for the Wi-Fi in the hotel.
Yes.
The Wi-Fi name is Rosewood, and then you
Okay.
have to sign in.
Okay.
This number will be the user,
Okay.
and your last name will be the password.
Perfect. Okay.
And for the room key, I already made for you for 2.
Okay.
And the photo in the room key, that will be the Temple of Thailand.
Oh, wow. Very nice. Beautiful touch. All those little things
Yeah,
are very important
the
in a
details.
hotel. The details
Yeah.
are always everything that make a hotel from good to
Yes.
great to exceptional. I really love how nice they are, and when they walk you into the room and explain you everything, that is typical Asian hospitality. I really don't seem to find that in other places of the world, but this is an exceptional hotel. I can see why it was one of the most anticipated hotels of 2019. Of course, we have to check out a lot more, but for now, just look at this room and enjoy. I'm very impressed, very, very impressed. So far, this is, wow, one of the most beautiful hotels I've seen in Bangkok. And here is my view from the room that I have booked here in the Rosewood Hotel. Right across from me is the Park Hyatt. And of course the Okura Prestige. What I really like about this room, that it has this residential feel to it. Actually, I think that was the idea of the design concept of this hotel, that it has a residential feel. And it's just the decorating type that they have, the decorations that you see in all the different corners, and so they have that really, really homey feeling, and I think that makes this hotel so special. I'm not sure if you knew this or not, but it was one of the most anticipated openings of 2019. So worldwide known. Rosewood is a great brand anyway, but what I've seen so far is just outstanding. Let's go and show you the bathroom next. Beautiful bathtub, very nicely done. This is just spectacular. And the shower is a rainfall shower, which is a must in any hotel if you ask me. And it has a bench. And again, you have a beautiful view right from the bathroom. I want to show you the pool next. The pool and the gym and the organic style area or restaurant that they have are all located on the same floor, right next to their waterfall, and it's just a spectacular place. Let's look at it now. Here is a changing room and lockers. Okay, so you can box here. And this is the equipment. You hire a trainer and you pay 1,500 baht, and I guess you'll start boxing. I really like the idea of the boxing gloves and the class that you can take. It's all about this new health trend in travel and in hotels, and I think it's a great idea. More hotels should do it. I also saw it at the St. Regis here in Bangkok, but anywhere else in the world I really haven't seen it. So Bangkok again, it's leading in this health drive throughout the world of hotels. But this is a gym. It's a small gym. This is of course more of a boutique type of hotel. But the great equipment and what I love about it, it's all just so new and so fresh. So I really enjoy this here. Beautiful. Another great concept by the Rosewood Hotel is their restaurant on the 9th floor, right adjacent to the outside pool. It is called a G&O, and it is an upscale cafe that offers organically grown healthy food. And you can get snacks and shakes and so on and so forth. It's really nice, and it's also from locally grown, homegrown resources within Bangkok. So I tried out a little dessert there of mango and passion fruit, which was actually really good. Take a look at it. Thank you. All right, let's see how this tastes. Passion fruit is a little bit sour, and then the mango sweet, and then the muesli that they have underneath. Very nice. The Sense Spa in the Rosewood Hotel unfortunately did not allow me to film, but it's understandable. They want their privacy, and I really, really respect that. It is a fabulous spa. It offers everything that you can imagine, from facials to pedicure to manicure to body scrubs to massages. It is really an exquisite spa. And again, if you're staying in the hotel, it is something that you should definitely look at least walk down there, look at their menu and see what they have to offer. I'll show you a little bit of the entrance, what you see when you get there, and it's breathtaking. This is the terrace area, which is right adjacent to the restaurant, where you can also have breakfast. So you can have breakfast or dinner, for that fact, inside or outside. On the 30th floor, the Rosewood Hotel features a really, really cool lounge. I think it's one of the in places to go right now here in Bangkok. And it's nighttime, so it's difficult to film up there, especially full of people and so on. The Rosewood Hotel has a beautiful bar on the 30th floor. So that was just a quick recap of Lennon's bar up on the top floor in the Rosewood Hotel. Speakeasy lounge, really cool place. Unfortunately, it was too dark, too many people. I couldn't film more. I didn't really want to disturb the local guests, but you have to check it out. I spent about an hour and a half in there, had some great wine, great conversation with actually the assistant manager of the hotel. It was very, very nice, very cool, hip crowd, loved it all the way. Very nice drinks, definitely a place to check out. And I heard it's one of the happening places in Bangkok. So whether you are in Bangkok for a visit and just want to go to that bar, or you're staying in the Rosewood Hotel, check it out, you'll love it. Although this is a beautiful little setup here of breakfast, they have mostly a la carte here. Just having a very light breakfast this morning of some yogurt and fruit by itself, coffee, because I'm going to the floating market. Well, I'm going to say goodbye from the Rosewood Hotel in Bangkok. It's definitely one of the best hotels I've stayed at in Bangkok. It's phenomenal. Everything was perfect. The check-in, the sweetness of the people, the room obviously, the attention to detail, the decor, the natural colors, the pool area, the gym, everything was great. The food this morning, the breakfast, even though I didn't eat a lot because I went to the market, but everything was just beautiful, very happy. The 30th floor has a lounge, which is exquisite, especially at night you can see all of Bangkok. Little incident last night, not really an incident, but I had some wine and it was not really that good, so they gave me a new one right away without question. The assistant manager came and I started talking to her. We spoke about the hotel, about my YouTube channel, and she bought me another drink, another wine. She was exceptionally nice. I just loved it. It's very welcoming, you have a very homey feeling in this hotel. I highly, highly recommend it. I'm not endorsing this hotel. They didn't pay me to review this hotel. This is all on my own. I just got to tell you, this is an incredibly beautiful hotel. You should stay in this hotel. Take it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And what else do I have to say? Enrich your mind, travel the world.